Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chocho 2025. Today we're going to talk about how to easily create an LTX prompt with ChatGPT with the help of Lightrick script sample from Lightrick's LTX video playground. First, access the Hugging Face link to copy the script. Copy-paste the script by accessing raw mode and Ctrl-All and copy-paste all the data. Open ChatGPT, paste the script. Now you could add any text and ChatGPT will help you create a better prompt. Please be detailed, especially if you use image to text. Anyway, here's the sample. And here another sample. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.